Alright, so there's the condenser, it's out. These are clipped right there. These clips are clipped onto there, and then the condenser's clipped to here. You just push these tabs, squeeze them together, pull them out. There's one over here too. But after you take it out, pull this up here, you'll see you'll need a lot of room for the compressor, which is down here. You're going to take a 17 and go counterclockwise with it. To get the belt off, set the belt to the side. Now the compressor is a bear. We're just going to be honest. You're going to have to get to the lines from here with a Torx 40 swivel ratchet. Break it loose first. Take the bolts off. 10 millimeter. Take this line off. So we have both the lines off because remember one of them went to the condenser, so we just left it off. Took those off, and then you'll be able to get to the back bolt back there, which is this thing, which you can't see from here. So what you're gonna have to do is take this with a 10 millimeter, which fits onto here, but it has to be that kind of 10 or 12 Torx as well, but you can't get that there. You will need this though for the bottom one. But what you're gonna have to do to get to this back bolt is go through here like this with the 10 on it through here. You can't see very well, but trust me, that's how you're gonna have to break the bolts from the back of the compressor, because let me tell you, it's not going to be easy to do. So that's what you're going to need to do. Take that off. Now again, this one, this small one, or a 10 ratchet, swivel ratchet, it's going to have to go here to the back. You can see there, but the bolt back of here. See it? And it's not going to go all the way out. And so even when you use your swivel ratchet or whatever ratchet you use, don't let it go too far before taking it out, and then just spin it with your hand, because otherwise it'll get stuck in there. You don't want it to get stuck. We're just going to leave it with that. It's going to come out all together. The last bolt is over here, and we're going to take this off last since it's holding it on it. And then this thing should slide out through here, down through here. And remember, you have plenty of play now because we haven't put the stuff back in.